Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome to the class. In this class we are going to learn about our country and symbols. In this class we are going to learn about our country and symbols. Our country name is India. Our country name is India. What is our country name, children? India. Now let us see our Indian map. See children, this is our Indian map. This is our Indian map. In India, we had number of states. In India, we had number of states. And people of Indians are called as Indians. Peoples of India are called as Indians. Okay children, peoples of India called as Indians. In India, we had different type of people with different religions, with different customs, with different traditions. See here, if you observe this picture, in this picture only, we will have different religious people. Okay, some are Hindus, some are Christians, some are Muslims, and some are Sikhs, and some are Buddhists. Okay? Yes, even though we had different religious people, we are all called as Indians. We are called as Indians. Okay, children? This is about peoples in India. And next, let us see our national flag. See, children? This is our national flag. It is made up with 3 colors and 1 Ashoka Chakra. First color is saffron, second color is white, third color is green. In middle, it is called as Ashoka Chakra and it has 24 lines. Okay children, this is our Indian flag. And next, let us see our first Prime Minister. Our first Prime Minister. Okay children, see this picture. He is our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And on his birthday, we celebrated as Children's Day. He is also called as Chacha Nehru. He loves children very much. So on his birthday, that means on November 14, we celebrated as Children's Day. Okay children? And next one is, let us see our national fruit. Okay children? See, this is our national fruit. What is this fruit children? Yes, mango. What is this fruit? Mango. It is in yellow color. So our national fruit is mango. So mango is also called as king of fruits. Mango is also called as king of fruit. And next symbol is national flower. See children, this is our national flower. What is this flower? Lotus. What is this flower? Lotus. We usually see lotus in ponds. Okay children? So our national flower is lotus. Our national flower is lotus. And next symbol is our national animal. Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. Bengal tiger. Our national animal is Bengal tiger. We usually see Bengal tigers in forest. We usually see Bengal tigers in forest. And next symbol is our national water animal. Our national water animal is dolphin. What is this children? Dolphin. Our national animal is dolphin. We usually see dolphins in water. In sea, we can see the dolphins. Okay children, and next symbol is our national bird. Our national bird is peacock. What is our national bird children? Peacock. Peacock also we usually see in forest. Okay children, our national bird is peacock. And next one is our national sport. Our national sport is hockey. Our national sport is hockey. Okay children. And next, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, and our national song is Vande Mataram. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore, and our national song Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay children, now let us recap once again. This is our Indian map. This is our Indian map, and peoples of India are called as Indians. Peoples of India are called as Indians. And this is our national flag with three colors: saffron, white and green. In middle we will have Ashoka Chakra with 24 lines. Next, he is our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On his birthday, November 14, we celebrated as Children's Day. And Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Vande Mataram. This is our national song. It is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And mango. Mango is our national fruit. Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. And tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Dolphin is our national water animal. Peacock is our national bird. Hockey is our national sport. Okay children, this is about today's our topic. Now what you have to do means, all of you please learn our national symbols. Okay children, this is about today's class. Let us meet in tomorrow's class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.